Listen to this. Do you know that the best month for you to give charity, it is in the month of Ramadan? Only in the month of Ramadan, the sadaqah that you are giving, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is going to increase your reward abundantly. Our noble Prophet Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam says, ما من يوم يصبح العباد فيه إلا ملكان ينزلان. There is no any day in this service of the heart that we are waking up except Almighty Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will send two malaika come down. Except two malaika, two angels will come down from heaven to this office of the heart. فَيَقُولُ أَحْدُهُمَا, one of them will be saying that, Allahumma a'ti munfiqan khalafan. Oh Allah, reward, increase the wealth of that person that is spending. Don't let his wealth to decrease. As Rasulullah says in a hadith that ma naqasat min malin sadaqah. Giving charity will never decrease your wealth. Wallahi. Wallahi. Giving charity will never ever decrease your wealth. One of these two angels that will be coming down every day, he will be saying to Almighty Allah, as we all know, the dua, the prayer of the angels, Allah is acceptable because they don't sin, they don't commit sin. It's we women that we are committing a sin. Them, they are very pure. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has purified them. So their prayer, wallahi, is acceptable. One of them will be saying, Allahumma, oh Allah, a'ti munfiqan khalafan. Whosoever spend today, oh Allah, increase his wealth. So why are you not going to spend in the cause of Almighty Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? Most especially during this month of Ramadan. وَيَقُولُ الْآخَرُ, the second one will be saying, Allahumma a'ti mumsikan talafan. Oh Allah, perish the person that don't spend. The person that doesn't spend, oh Allah, don't let his wealth to be increasing. Increase that person. Increase him with poverty. That person that don't used to spend. So do you want to be among those who are not going to be spending in the cause of Almighty Allah? Please, my brothers and sisters in Islam, don't be among them. Try as much as possible. Be spending towards the cause of Almighty Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. No matter how small it is. And also, if you want to assist us, in this TV, Arridowy Lectures TV, you can also, inshallah, I will be dropping our WhatsApp TV in the description below. You can reach us towards the WhatsApp TV number. We also do WhatsApp TV. Please subscribe to our channel, Arridowy Lectures TV. Follow us on all social media platforms. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.